So welcome right back to my channel. So this is your girl Keymee K. You can go ahead and call me Key. I'm going to be doing a hair tutorial today. I want to show you guys how you can get a flawless hair install glueless method using the Got to Be Glue freezing spray. So I did have a wig sent out to me from Sowigs.com, so I do want to say thank you for sending me out this wig. This wig, it did come in a satin bag, very pretty, as well as the wig itself came in another bag. So this wig is going to be 100 in density lace front wig. It is a Malaysian curly, so you do get 3 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back with the adjustable straps. This wig is also going to come with medium brown lace, and it does have baby hairs and a natural pre-plucked hairline. Like, the hairline is flawless. I did not have to pluck this hairline whatsoever, and this hairline matches mine to the T. So y'all know usually I do ball cap method, but with this wig being the exact dupe as my hair, I didn't have to do the ball cap method because the wig came down far enough to go ahead and let me do that. So starting off, I'm going to be using the Nairobi just to go ahead and pull those baby hairs back. I'm going to be starting in the center. So I'm going to start with the Got to Be Glue freezing spray in the center, and I'm going to blow dry that. I can't get it out. Blow dry it on cool air. And then I'm going to go to both sides and do the same thing. I did cut the ear tabs on the side before I do use the Got to Be Glued on those sides. I can't talk today. Oh my god. And please excuse my arm because I had just got off work, and you probably can see my eyes is red, and I was trying to get this video up. So please do excuse. I got blue stuff on the side of my arm. Girl, I didn't even notice that I had blue stuff. But I'm using a eyebrow razor comb to go ahead and cut the lace off. Please, 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 if you have not used that before, do not, because I did cut the side of my face and I've done used it plenty of times. Go get you some scissors that have the zigzag if you do not know how to use regular scissors to cut your lace. Please do not mess up your face trying to use no eyebrow razor. After that, I did not want to go ahead and spray the cap because I did not want the wig to pop back up. So I did use the end of my comb, and then I sprayed the Got to Be Glued on there, and I applied that to the parts where you could see like the lace that had come up from cutting the rest of the lace off. After that, I'm just going to go ahead and pull those baby hairs out. Ooh, excuse me. So that I can go ahead and wrap this hair up so that we can go ahead and get the melt. I'm cutting my baby hairs now, but you can cut them before or after. I just wanted to go ahead and pull those out. After that, I am going to go ahead and just use a foam mousse to go ahead and style them. I'm not like styling them right now. I'm just trying to preset them, because if I don't have a part in my head like how I'm going to do my hair, I cannot for the life of me get my baby hairs to look right. So I just went ahead and just slicked them down like the direction I want it to go. So after that, I'm going ahead and brushing them out. So you can keep them like how you want to, just cut them down if you need to and add more hair. With this being a curly wig, I do like to use the olive oil gel because I like the wet look, and I do like to use like that. So I am applying that on top, and then now I'm actually going to go ahead and do my baby hairs like how I want them. So if you have like a straight wig, I think like just using mousse period on the baby hairs looks very flawless. After that, I'm going to be using my Cara wax stick to go ahead and slick down the hair because you cannot even see the part, and I want to do that. I should have did the flip over method because that'd be really pretty as I'm looking at this video, but I did go ahead and do that so I can get you to see my part. After that, I'm just going to be using both the Afro G Styling Wrap Mousse, and then also I used the Garnier Fructis Curl Construct Cream Mousse, and that made the hair really, really pretty. So with this being 130 density, you can see that the hair does have like a natural density. This hair is not thick at all. I think this would be a good summertime wig, really, because it's really not thick. It's very, very on the natural side. After that, I'm going to be using my what is that? I think my Wet n Wild. That's right, my Wet n Wild medium concealer, and then on top of that I'm using my Black Radiance Sculpt Color to go ahead and do my parts. And after that, that is basically it. This hair is very pretty. I didn't get any shedding after washing the hair, but that was about it. The hair is very pretty. The knots did bleach very easily. I did bleach them for only 20 minutes, and that was like super bomb. Like, they came out pretty. I like that. I did not have to pluck this wig. This hairline is plucked for you. I think this is a very beginner friendly wig. So if you like this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video.